Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. So listen, you guys, it is Master Closet Week, and I'm going to be doing this will not be a major clean in there or purge, because just a couple months ago I purged my closet. What I am going to do though is rearrange some things in the closet to make a little more space, to make it more conducive to me getting ready in the morning, and then a couple other things. Y'all nails on point, right? So, I thought I'd bring you guys along. 14-week home organization challenge. I'm sure I'm so off the list of how the weeks are supposed to go, but I'm doing my best. So what I am going to do is show you the closet and then tell you how I'm going to work on it. Okay, so here's my closet. Now, this is just stuff that has been, I just threw it there. Changing clothes and different things and not feeling like hanging anything up. So all that'll be gone. These are Christmas gifts that we still have yet to get, pass along to family or friends or whatever. And I have a couple pairs of shoes down there, not really many shoes. So these are all my clothes. And then of course I have shoes up here. I'm gonna do something with those, kind of condense those a little bit. I do have shoes back here, but what I'm going to do, I'm thinking about it now. I'm going to actually probably move most of this, move all of that out, move my dresser over there because it can fit underneath that hanging rack, because right now there's nothing underneath there except hangers. And then I'm going to move my skirts and pants that are on this side to the bottom over here. And yeah, I got some stuff down here that I can actually put on the shelves. I got a couple bags that can go up on the shelf, and then some comforter stuff that can go up on this top shelf up there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I need to grab another one of these jewelry hangers because I have a lot of jewelry. And so that's why I think I hadn't put it under here before. It's because I have stuff on here. But I can rearrange this, so no problem. But I think just to give me a little bit more room when I walk in the closet, I'm going to go ahead and move the dresser over there. And then, again, just kind of go through. I gave away half my closet when I went through it the other time. But I just need to clean it up a little bit. I have never contemplated painting this, but maybe it won't be today. Of course, not today, but I'm going to measure it to see if I'll have enough room left over to hang some clothes. I don't have a lot of hanging things. I have a few, short things, like a few pairs of pants and skirts. So it won't need a lot of space. So maybe I'll have enough. But anyway, I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod and get started. Alrighty, you guys. So here's the finished closet, you guys. It's like a week later, and I forgot to close out the vlog. Now, normally none of this stuff would be here, but these are still my Christmas gifts, and then some stuff for the living room. We're doing a gallery wall, but we haven't done it yet. So that's gonna go in the living room. Just hadn't gotten there yet. So this whole space would be cleared out, and I would be able to put these shoes here over here. So I like this much better because now I can walk in the closet and not feel like I'm so claustrophobic with my dresser right here. With it underneath the shelf like that, we couldn't turn it because it's too tall in the back and it would bump into those bars, right? It would fit underneath there if those bars weren't there. So it works out fine. I just put my cuffs on this side, and I have my mannequin and my jar here, and it works out perfectly. I've got all my jewelry there. I also created a space to sit my purse, so that doesn't have to sit in my bedroom on the fainting couch. So the purse goes there. I'm probably also going to be able to put my school bag down here, so it's not just sitting in my bedroom at all. I can get into all of my drawers with no problem. Down here, I just have pants and skirts. And up here, I have shirts and longer dresses towards the back, so I can still get into my closet pretty good. So then I put a few boxes up here. I actually need to go through those boxes and probably trash all that stuff. But then I have shoes at the top, all together and combined. And then I have this little shoe holder right here that is all full of shoes. Yes, shoes are life. That's all I have to say about that. So there it is, you guys. Home organization challenge. I don't know which week it is. It's Master Closet, but I am El Duno. Thank the Lord for that. And if you're working on the challenge, we hope it's going well. I say just do little things that, make your space work for you. This is probably the first year when I haven't focused on how pretty it looks, but more how functional it is. So I like the pretty, and that is good at times. I don't have time this year or during this challenge for pretty. I just have time for function. So I have gave away a lot of clothes, and I still have a ton. So I'm going to go through what I have, and if I wear it, perfect. If I don't wear it in a year, it's going. It might be harder to part with my shoes, but I'm going to actually go through those as well. If I wear them, perfect. If not, they're going. I just don't have time for clutter in my life anymore, or at this stage of the game. We've got to downsize and use the things that we have, not always have a lot of things that we don't use. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Home organization challenge to Master Closet. We do hope that this was motivating to you. It helped us out. We do appreciate all of the support for the channel. Thank you guys so much for being who you are and doing what you do. You'll never know on this side of glory how much it means to our family that you all come over and hang out with us, and we appreciate that. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share it if you think it's shareable, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.